Hey guys, welcome back. It's super late on Thursday. I'm behind for my video for tomorrow. So I was like, what kind of quick, easy video could I do? It's like the end of the day and I took off my makeup, but I don't really want to put more makeup on, but I still want to play around or talk about makeup. And I remembered Kiss sent me a couple of these Kiss Lashes Magnetic Lash. This is in the style 03. I've already done a try on of the 01 style, which are a little bit more natural looking. How perfect are these to play around with late at night? They're reusable, so you can try putting them on. There's no lash glue involved. You don't have to be wearing any other makeup. Just kind of like plop them on, take them off when you're done, and stash them ideally. You can get them ready for next time. So this is the style KEM03, and they're described as spiky with natural look fanned out clusters that blend with your own lashes. As you can see, you get 4 pairs of lashes, a pair for the top and a pair for the bottom. And the top and the bottoms are different. The bottom's more evenly distributed and the top's more of that clustered look. You also get this easy load applicator. They are supposed to be natural and comfortable, lightweight, pre-curved, no adhesive needed, reusable with a universal fit, which is a ton of claims. They do say you could first apply mascara on your lashes for easier application of magnetic lashes. And then it's just a 3-step process to get them on. Number 1, you rotate the applicator to load the top and bottom magnetic lashes. Number 2, you rotate the applicator back to its original position. And then number 3, you place the applicator on your natural lashes in between the 2 magnetic lashes, press down to connect the magnetic strips, and then release the applicator. If you want, check out my other video where I did my first attempt at trying these on. I did not have a great time. I felt overwhelmed, I guess. I felt like they were a little bit hard to control, so I'm hoping this pair is going to be a lot easier for me to practice with now that I've had like 45 minutes of practice trying to get them on. If you do search around for these magnetic lashes, Kiss actually makes a video where they have a lady put the lashes on, and she gets them on in like 2 seconds flat. So hopefully it gets easier with practice. Let's see if I'm any better at it this time. Again, you get a plastic container with a little lid so that you can store them. Here is the little magnetic applicator. So it just kind of bends so you can load it. Once it's loaded, you push it back together and pinch it between your eyelashes. So you kind of got to figure out which direction goes which way. This is going to be for this eye. I'm looking at my lashes. This side's going to be for this eye. So let me load it up here and we'll try to get it on. Now last time I was wearing mascara and I still had a heck of a time. So this time I'm not going to bother putting on mascara and we'll see if I have an easier time. And you can see the 3 magnets on the lashes, 1 on each end and 1 kind of in the middle. And they just plop onto the applicator. I'm going to pull off the bottom lashes. Plop those onto the applicator. So the bottoms are loaded, the tops are loaded. I'm going to make sure they're nicely curved. Ready to put it on. I'm just going to rotate this back. I have to take off my glasses, so I'm going to grab a little mirror here. I'm also using my comfortable chair so I can just kind of relax and make this as natural as possible. That time you could see when I put it on, I kind of pulled the lashes away. If you're wearing magnetic lashes, I do think it's very important to give yourself lots of time to get them on. Don't just assume you're going to be able to get them on right away, because even if you get them on right away, placement can be a little bit tricky. One of the trickiest things is these bottom lashes are so long. They're always getting caught up in the top lashes. So I think they could probably shorten those bottom lashes to make application just a little bit easier, so it doesn't like get caught up in the applicator. I forgot it's also easier to use two hands to get them on. So if you are a glasses wearer, or not, I guess, it might be better to have a mirror that you don't have to hold on to. All right, so that was attempt number 2. And that actually went pretty smoothly. I definitely can feel them on my lashes. I'm going to look down so you can take a look from above. And I'm a little bit surprised at the look that they give. They're way more natural than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were almost going to look a little bit more wispier and a little bit more like fanned out. But yeah, much easier to get on this time. I feel like I have a better degree of control. So let's load up the other side. Of course, when you load up the other side, you have to remember to swap the tool around. Open it up again. These top lashes, I find they really are a little bit hard to get the magnets to stick to the applicator. I don't know what it is. Maybe just because there's more hair. But it is now loaded. So let's just squish it on. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. Okay. All nice and loaded. Definitely also helps to have a lighted mirror, so you have a little bit of vision. I got them on pretty decently, but I can also tell that they're not super close to my lash line, so I probably want to try that side one more time. That being said, having them sitting out a little bit farther from the lash line, I think looks a little bit better from like close up, but probably a little bit worse when I'm looking down. So let's try that side one more time. Ready for, what is this, attempt number 3? I also find like it's kind of easy if you get the top lashes in place by kind of like rotating it back a bit, just like you were applying like a normal pair of lashes, and then going in with the bottom lashes. Now the part is getting it off the applicator. And again, a little bit too far from the lash line. All right, and that side also not too bad. I can't really see anything, so I'm going to put on my glasses. How long did that take? Like less than 20 minutes, which is a huge improvement from last time. I will definitely say they look a little bit wonky. They look a little bit unsymmetrical. And they kind of, I don't know, they kind of just sit funny on the eyes. From far away, I'm sure they look perfectly fine. I just wish this particular pair was a little bit longer in terms of actual lash length, especially on the top. But they're definitely a lot less dramatic than I was expecting just by looking at the packaging. And I definitely felt whether it was practice or just the style being a little bit heavier, this pair was a lot easier to put on and a lot more durable to put on than the Style 01. Something else I'll say, considering I don't have any eyeliner on or anything, when you're looking kind of from straight on or underneath, the bands are really nice and invisible, so you really can't see any band line. And because they're not incredibly wispy, the fact that they're not super close to my lash line at the end of the lashes doesn't look too crazy like it did with the last pair, where you could definitely see it was sitting out from far away. So yeah, overall, would I wear these out of the house? I don't know. I'd have to really take a good look at what they look like from this angle. And I have to say, like, I probably wouldn't. Just because there's so much like gappage and stuff. Like, I think it's really obvious that you're wearing false lashes, and I don't think you get as much good control over the like placement, curvature, everything about the lashes compared to like actual lashes that you glue to your face. So I've definitely leveled up in terms of my magnetic lash application, and I do like this pair a little bit better. I think it could be a little bit more dramatic, but maybe more drama just adds to a worse application. So contradictory, so many mixed feelings about these lashes. Thanks again to Kiss for actually sending them to me as PR. That was like super sweet. My patrons got to see me unboxing that PR thing. For as little as $2 a month, you can check out my Patreon. Help support this channel. Help me bring this video content to you guys. I do new beauty videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And usually I'm a lot better about my schedule, but you know, it's the holiday season. Everybody's working extra hard and being extra busy at this time of the year. Thanks for just chilling with me here for this video. I hope your holiday season is going well and it's not too crazy busy. And I think from like this angle, if you didn't know I was wearing magnetic lashes, you might actually fall for the illusion, right? I feel like I have sleepy bedroom Marilyn Monroe eyes. But anyway, I still wouldn't wear them out of the house. Yeah, thanks again for watching. Let me pull these off carefully. I'm also really happy I didn't destroy this pair. I'm still really confused why there's not magnetic packaging for these lashes. What? Why, Kiss? That was like, that would have been the coolest thing. Maybe it's just too hard on them. More risk of damaging them. Anyway, guys, thanks again. I'm rambling. Good night. See you on Monday. Have a great weekend.